friends, welcome to BSS Studies. I am Bala. Today our topic is parallelogram law of vectors. Here we already learnt about triangle law of vectors. Triangle law of vectors. Here triangle law of vectors means if two vectors are given, those are represented as sides of a triangle. Okay, here if they give like this is A bar and this is B bar, we have to represent these two vectors as sides of this triangle like this. Here this is A bar. Here main condition is we should not change magnitude and direction of these two vectors. Okay, so this is A bar and this is B bar. Okay, so the resultant will be opposite in sense. This is resultant. R bar is equals to A bar plus B bar. Okay, here resultant is opposite sense. From free tail to free head it will join. Okay, so this is triangle of vectors and the continuation of triangle of vectors is polygonal of vectors, which means two or more vectors. Okay, these laws of vectors is from graphical method. This is main point. These parallelogram law of vector, triangle law of vector, polygonal law of vector are graphical methods. Okay, so let's see parallelogram law of vectors. Two vectors B bar and this is A bar. Okay, so these two vectors should be as sides of parallelogram. See, this is B bar and this is A bar. Okay, so we have to draw as a parallelogram and the resultant should be like this. Okay, so here resultant is R bar is equals to A bar plus B bar. Okay, here I will explain. See, this is B bar and this is A bar. These two are joined between tail to tail, so we have to draw resultant from tail to here this point. So that is called resultant. Here resultant is equals to A bar plus B bar. Okay, so this is parallelogram law. Here we have to take as angle theta. Okay, so this is parallelogram of vector, law of vectors. So here this is B bar vector and this is A bar vector. B bar vector and this is A bar vector and this is resultant R bar. So this is I am taking as angle theta and the resultant is A bar plus B bar. Okay, here this is A bar means this is also A bar. Here this is B bar means this is also B bar. Okay, and here I am extending as right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. See, this is right angled triangle. Here I am extended this as right angled triangle. I am naming this as O P Q R S. Okay, so here and here important point is here theta opposite is opposite side and hypotenuse is b bar. So it becomes sin theta. Okay. So here sin theta means opposite side, which means SR by SQ, hypotenuse. Okay. So here sin theta is equals to SR is, we have to find SR value. So SR by SQ value is B. Okay. So here SR is equals to B sin theta. If we transfer B to this side, it becomes SR is equals to B sin theta. Okay. So this side become B sin theta. Okay. So this is adjacent side. Here cos theta means adjacent side QR by SQ, hypotenuse. Okay. So here cos theta is equals to, we have to find adjacent side QR. So cos theta equals to QR by SQ means B. Okay. So here QR is equals to B cos theta. Okay. So this adjacent side is B cos theta. Okay. And from this triangle PSR, from triangle PSR, we can use formula Pythagoras theorem, opposite side whole square plus adjacent side whole square is equals to hypotenuse whole square. Okay. So from this opposite side of theta, this is theta. So opposite side of theta is B sin theta whole square plus adjacent side is A plus B cos theta, which means A plus B cos theta whole square is equals to hypotenuse is R square. Okay. So if you expand these two equations, it becomes B square sin square theta plus, this is in the form of A plus B whole square. So from A plus B whole square, A square, this is B square cos square theta plus B square cos square theta plus 2AB means 2AB cos theta is equals to R square. Okay. Here I am wrapping this triangle SR. So from this equation I am taking common as this B sin theta and this B cos theta. B square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta plus A square 2AB cos theta is equals to R square. Okay. I am writing this equation. So from this we can take common B square into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus A square plus 2AB cos theta equals to R square. Okay. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1. So it becomes B square plus A square plus 2AB cos theta equals to R square. So finally it becomes R is equals to root over A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So this is the resultant formula. Okay. So here from this triangle we got that this resultant formula is resultant is equals to root over a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Okay, theta means angle. This is angle. Okay. And some examples. See. If A bar is equals to 4 newtons and B bar is equals to 3 newtons, the angle between A bar and B bar is equals to theta is equals to 60 degrees. Then find resultant. Find resultant. So here resultant formula is R is equals to root over a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Okay. So here R is equals to root over a square means 4 newtons, 4 square 16 plus b 3 square plus 2 into 4 into 3 into cos 60 degrees. Okay. So here R is equals to root over, here 3 square means 9, 16 plus 9 25 plus cos 60 means 2 into 4 into 3, cos 60 means half. 2 gets cancelled, and here R is equals to root over 25 plus 12 means 37 newtons. Here the resultant is root 37 newtons. Okay. So like this we can apply this formula. R is equals to root over a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Okay. And we learned that resultant is equals to root over a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, and that is magnitude of resultant. Here magnitude of resultant, means R is equals to root over a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. This is resultant magnitude. So we have to find the direction of resultant. So let's see. Here are writing magnitude. This is B bar and this is A bar, and this is resultant R bar. Okay. Here this angle is theta. This full angle is theta. Here I am taking this as alpha and this is beta. Okay. So from this, this is right angle triangle, B sin theta, B cos theta. Okay. So from this we have to find tan alpha. Tan alpha is direction of this triangle. OPR triangle. So tan alpha is equals to opposite side, which means B sin sin theta by adjacent side a plus b cos theta. A plus b cos theta. Okay. So this is tan alpha. Alpha means this angle, and we can find the direction of this OPR triangle. Okay. Note down. This is first equation. And the second equation, here I am wrapping this. This is P and this is B bar. Here I am extending another right angled triangle. Here this is A sin theta according to this B sin theta, and this is A cos theta according to B cos theta. Okay. So here I have to find tan beta. Tan beta means this triangle. Okay. OP some S. OPS triangle. And here opposite side is A sin theta by adjacent side is B plus A cos theta. Okay. So this is second equation. Here from this formula we can find the direction of tan alpha, tan beta, which means the direction of this resultant when they give alpha angle and beta angle. Okay. And today topic is completed. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.